What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fueled by Chai trading channel. I want to give a little bit of background on kind of where things are at right now, maybe actually a little bit of an introduction on where things are at right now as far as what I'm building, what I've got so far, and what I'm wanting to do next. So I've got a basic market making algo that I had up and running and mostly trading on the Paradex exchange because that exchange is offering a maker rebate of half a basis point. So I figured I'd start my testing there first with Bitcoin, and then I'm going to move over to Ethereum and Solana after that. But right now I'm doing the development with the Bitcoin Perpetual Futures contract there. And so bot was actually doing okay. I've got very little in the way at this point set up in the algorithm as far as a lot of risk management goes. I've got a daily stop loss in there, but I also want to add some more risk management pieces in there, especially around inventory management. And so running this algorithm for about 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks now, does great when the markets are range bound, consistently making money off the spread and then picking up a little bit on the maker rebate as well from Paradex. But, and this is probably true with any market making algorithm, is struggles when the market starts trending very strongly. So over the past few days, we've seen the crypto markets just getting hammered. And so, with adverse selection, you're basically sitting on the other side of those trades. People are selling and then they're hitting your bids, you're accumulating inventory. And so I'm having to start to think about, okay, well, how do I want to manage the inventory here? I probably want to adjust the my ask prices to try to rebalance sooner and then widen my bids or even remove my bids altogether, depending on how quickly the market is moving. And then also, my concern with Paradex is since there's not a ton of volume on there, especially compared to like Binance and some of these other, Bybit and some of these larger exchanges, do I want to use data from those exchanges as far as the order flow and the order book information? Because I want to take these things into account when placing my bids and asks. What does the imbalance look like in the order book? How is the order book changing as far as what's on the bid side, the ask side, the size, the prices, and then how's the order flow look? The actual trades that are getting executed are mostly maker orders getting hit, or is it taker orders that are getting hit? So is it basically the aggressive orders, are they more on the buy side and sell side, and then adjust my bids and asks accordingly. So I basically put the algo on the shelf for right now. I turned it off because it basically hit its daily stop 2 days in a row very quickly. So I want to add some more risk management pieces in place before I do this. So the next steps for my algo are I'm going to basically be incorporating some data from some other exchanges to analyze and use in my pricing algorithm as far as where I'm putting my bids and asks, and then add an additional risk management piece as well to see if on these strongly trending days, if at least the algorithm can at least tread water, that would be a huge win. So my goal here is, on a $100,000 trading account, is it possible for the algorithm to average $500 a day? That's what my hypothesis is that I want to test. I think this is possible, especially in these markets. Maybe not with Bitcoin and Ethereum. My feeling is maybe with some of these more heavily traded coins, there probably is more market maker activity from other algorithms out there. But with maybe some of these smaller coins, like Ripple or Solana or the meme coins, there could be more opportunity there, especially because you just have so many retail traders trading these things, and it's a lot of dumb money, a lot of scared money. These guys are, high on life and then freaking out the next minute that, uh, their coin is down 20% in a day. So I think there's definitely a lot of opportunity in some of these other coins that aren't some of the majors. So, but next step is incorporating some data from some other exchanges, getting a couple of risk management pieces in place, and then I'm gonna turn it live in a kind of uh, minimally capitalized accounts, just trading very minimal position sizes on Paradex, and we'll see how it goes compared to the last go around. So currently working on that. I don't know how long it's going to take me. Maybe a few more days to get something that I feel comfortable putting out there again, for trading in the live environment, and we'll see how it compares, especially if the market continues to be as volatile as it is right now. So I mean, Bitcoin over the last few days, it dropped from the mid 90s down to the mid 80s. It seems to be a bit stable over the past day, but who knows what's going to be going on next. There was a huge run up after the election, and definitely due for a pullback here, and that's expected, and definitely the algo needs to be able to handle some pretty wide swings, as we sometimes see in the crypto markets. So stay tuned, hit subscribe if you want to follow along and see how this experiment goes, and if I'm successful or not. I'll definitely keep you posted on everything: the wins, the losses, the good, the bad, the ugly, all that stuff. So have an awesome day today, guys. I will talk with you later.